Mathematics, a language of symbols and numbers. Teaching math related language, that is vocabulary, is probably the best starting point when teaching concepts and processes. Children do not learn mathematical vocabulary by just memorizing definitions. Rather, they construct meaning for mathematical vocabulary by doing meaningful and authentic mathematics. The ability to read, write, and speak the language of math is essential for mathematical concept development and mastery. Knowledge of math vocabulary can be enriched using tools such as word bank, math dictionary, and concept vocabulary collection. Let's see what a word bank is. Word bank is a visual resource that has collection of new vocabularies to be displayed on the walls. We can simply write the words or draw it as a picture as you can see in the screen. For example, inside, outside, parallel, less than, bar graph, etc. Now, let's see what a math dictionary is. A math dictionary contains new math vocabulary words arranged in the alphabetical order, that is from A to Z. It is a wonderful tool to build math vocabulary. Have a look at this math dictionary. A, AM, add. B, base, bar graph. C, centimeter, capacity. D, data, denominator. E, equal, equation. F, foot, fraction. G, gram, greater than. H, height, hundredths. I, inch, intersecting lines. J, join. K, kilogram, kilometer. L, length, less than. M, measure, minute hand. N, number line, numeral. O, ones, order. P, picture graph, place value. Q, quarter of. R, rectangle, row. S, sort, square. T, tally chart, tens. U, unit. V, vertex. W, whole, weight. X, x-axis. Y, y-axis. Z, zero. Concept vocabulary collection. It is a collection of math-related words from math concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. More than, plus, altogether, increased by, and combine. And for subtraction we have words like less than, deduct, take away, left, reduce, decrease, minus, and difference. For multiplication we have math words like multiply, times, lots of, product, tables, group of, column, and row. For division, we have math words like share, share equally, divide, divided by, divisible by, equal parts, split, and quotient. All these tools help to bridge the gap between informal math language and formal definitions. Now, let's move on to the next part, how to deal with the word problem. Dealing with math word problems might be challenging for many students. Let us learn some strategies that makes easier to understand the word problem and solve it in a better way. First strategy is visualization. What's visualization? It is nothing but picturizing the question in the form of images or scenes. Let's try it out. Rahul has 8 pencils and Sonu has 7 pencils. How many pencils do they have together? Let's see if we can visualize this. This is Rahul and this is Sonu. According to the problem, Rahul has 8 pencils and Sonu has 7 pencils. How many total pencils are there? Let us start counting the pencils that they both have together. Start from Rahul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 pencils altogether. In other words, 8 plus 7 equals to 15. Okay, that problem was kind of easy to solve, isn't it? Right. Let us try one that is not quite so simple and see how visualization can help. Billu has kept his chicken in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? Let us visualize the problem. This is the box where Billu has kept his chickens. Now, we know that a chicken has 2 legs. If one chicken has 2 legs, then 2 chickens will have 4 legs. 3 chickens will have 6 legs. And 4 chickens will have 8 legs. If you observe keenly, you could find a pattern here. Right, the legs are increasing by 2 times that of the chickens. So, counting by 2s, 10 chickens will have 20 legs and 14 chickens will have 28 legs. In other words, half of the 28 chicken legs will give you the total count of chickens, that is 14. Like most other problem solving strategies, even visualization does not work in every situation. For example, have a look at this one. A train compartment is carrying 132 boys and another compartment is carrying 129 girls. In all, how many children are there in both the compartments? Now, for this problem, does it make sense to visualize 132 boys and 129 girls? No, it does not. Instead of visualization, we are going to try a second strategy, cubes. The first thing we need to understand is what cubes means. The C in cubes stands for circle all the numbers in a word problem. If it is in word form, we circle it and write the number above the word. The U stands for underline the question. We need to underline the question being asked in a word problem. Next, we have the letter B. B stands for box. We need to draw a box around the math action words in our problem. Now, we have the letter E. E stands for evaluate. This means we need to figure out what the problem is asking us to do in order to answer the question. Lastly, we have the letter S. S stands for solve the problem. In this step, we finally get to answer the question. Now, as we know all the steps in cube strategy, let us apply it in the following example. Sakshi had 23 fruits and she ate 15 fruits. How many fruits are left? The first step is to circle all the numbers in the problem. Here we have the numbers 23 and 15. So go ahead and circle them. The second step is to underline the question. Do you know what the question that is being asked here? Exactly. How many fruits are left? Let's draw a line under the question. We need to box all the math action words in this problem. These are the words that help us identify the math operation we need to complete. What is the math action word given here? Exactly. Left is a math action word, so go ahead and box the word. The next step is to evaluate. Here we need to determine what we need to do and create our number sentence. Let's remember what we did in our previous steps. We found action word left, which means subtraction, and we have also circled the numbers 23 and 15, that is number of fruits Sakshi had, and ate. Then we know what is the question, that is how many fruits are left. Now we clearly understand that if Sakshi ate 15 fruits from 23 fruits, then we need to subtract 15 from 23, that is 23 minus 15. This is our number sentence. Now it's time to perform the last step, solve the problem. If we have followed all the steps correctly, we should be able to find the correct answer to the question. That is, according to the number sentence, we need to subtract 15 from 23, which gives 8. So number of fruits left are 8. Congratulations, we have solved the problem correctly. So this is the cube strategy. You'll become a master in solving math word problems if you practice these strategies on a consistent basis. Hope you learned something and good luck for solving the problems. It's time to practice. You can try to solve these problems on your own. Good luck!